Hi guys, this is Vicky and we are continuing with the 2015 AP Chem FRQ question number 4. So question number 4 says, answer the following questions about the solubility of CaOH2 and they give you the KSP value. Write the balanced chemical equation for the dissolution of CaOH2. So here's rule of thumb guys. Every time they give you a K equilibrium, the arrows are always going to go back and forth. So we want arrows to go back and forth. Okay, we don't ever want to use the arrow that only goes to the right. Okay, and let's just ionize this. And if I were to ionize it, it looks like this. And that's it. So let's continue to B. It says calculate the molar solubility of CaOH2 in 0.1 molarity CaNO3. So remember, KSP is always just going to include the products. It never ever includes the reactants, right? So what is KSP, guys? KSP is always going to be products or reactants, but there's no reactants, right? So it's always just going to be Ca2 plus times OH minus to the second power because that's the coefficient. And we know that KSP is 1.3 times 10 to the negative 6 because they have given it to us. And they tell you that you started out with 0.1 molarity of calcium nitrate, and we know that nitrate, because of the solubility rule, is always going to be soluble, right? Remember solubility rule number 1? No, I don't want to be in a solid relationship. Yep. So because of that, we are basically putting in extra calcium, which is going to be 0.1 molarity. Okay. But again, it's an x to 2x ratio because of coefficients, right? So here, I am just going to plug in 0.1 plus x, and then this is going to be 2x squared. Okay, so I'm literally just plugging in numbers. And if I do the calculations, x ends up being 0.0018 molarity. And if I want to figure out the molar solubility of calcium hydroxide, this is it. Of calcium hydroxide. That's it. Alright, let's continue to C. So C says, in the box below, complete a particle representation diagram that includes 4 molecules of water, represented water molecule as that Mickey Mouse thing. Okay, so we know calcium is positively charged, and if we look at oxygen happens to be negatively charged, partially negative, because the hydrogens are losing their electrons to the more electronegative oxygen. So the Mickey Mouse ears are going to be facing outside, away from the calcium because it's a cation. So it's supposed to look like this. Okay, cool. Super easy, right? Alright, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.